Anyone who owns or operates a dry type dust collector, such as a Baghouse or a cartridge collector, needs to do a Baghouse leak detection test. Leak detection test should be done every time you do a filter change. Some regulatory requirements dictate that leak detections need to be done on an annual basis or a 6-month basis. And then also anytime you suspect a leak in your system, a leak test is good to help diagnose where that leak is coming from. Filter changes are a fairly expensive operation, so not doing a leak detection test could mean all the money you spent on that filter change is thrown out because of improper installation. Additional reasons to conduct these tests and reasons to mitigate the risk by doing them is because a hole in your filter could mean a failure to comply with regulatory requirements. Before conducting the test, you're going to want to consult your safety department to ensure that all lockout, tagout, and confined space procedures are followed for this procedure. Step one is we are going to be inserting the die into the system. In this case, we're going to insert the die into the hopper here. Now that our die has been added and we've ensured that our filters are evenly coated, we are going to do an inspection of the clean air side of our bags to ensure that none of the dye made it through or around the filters and ensure we have a nice, good installation. Now we're up on the clean air section of the Baghouse. Because this thing is so small, we can actually lift off the entire roof of it. So first I'm going to do a quick initial inspection to see if I see any dye. Usually if there's a major leak, you'll see it instantaneously. But now that we don't see any, we're going to actually do the black light portion and turn off the lights and see what we can see. All right, since in our test we didn't see any leaks, we wanted to show you, we scattered some dye around here and we wanted to show you what it would look like if there was a leak and how vividly that shows up. Whether you purchase your Baghouse from IVI or not, IVI can assist in these leak detection tests and help diagnose problems and come up with long-term solutions.